Hi, I'm Baby Jane, presenting presenting Addict Radio, your most influential online radio streaming. Papakilala ko sa inyo ang mga DJ. DJ yan ka, ang DJ na never tumanggap ng mga request. DJ Marcos, the noisiest DJ ever. And, of course, DJ Junel, the creator of the most influential online radio streaming, where it's Addict Radio. And remember, sa Addict Radio lang yan. Kaya, kinig din kayo sa addictradio.net, where you can find the noisiest DJ and DJ na hindi tumanggap ng request. All of that is message from me. And guys, I love you all sa mga nakikinig sa Addict Radio. This is for Addict Radio listeners. And again, I'm moderator Jane, the youngest moderator in Addict Radio. Sa Addict Radio lang yan guys, ang merong batang moderator. Kaya kinig sa addictradio.net. This is all from and of course you can follow us on Twitter. Me on Twitter. Ito. Meister. Follow me. And of course you can follow the Addict Radio, but I don't know what is the I forgot. Well, that's all. I love you guys. I love you DJs. I love you listeners. And of course, I love myself. So done. Bye-bye.